What is up, YouTube fam? So I'm back with the video, and then today, so what we're going to be doing is dropping the Integra like it's hot. We're going to actually be lowering it. Yesterday I picked up a set of Tokiko Blues and like some TEIN coilovers, or springs if you will, and like some K-Sport rear camber adjustable shindigs. So yeah, that's what this video is going to be. We're going to try to get this done today, at least the front, because I'm a little short on time right now because I got off work late. So yeah, that's going to get lowered. Finally. Okay, so I already got the first driver side coil over out, and now I'm about to install the other one. It probably took me maybe 10 minutes. One thing I do love about Hondas is it's stupid easy to do suspension work. You literally, all you got to do is unbolt the fork, of course, from the lower control arm. Oops. Then there's like another bolt right here. It's like a little, I can't remember what to call this exactly, but basically it holds itself to the strut, if you will. You can loosen that, if you will, and then you can pull that out, slide it off to the side, and then there's two bolts on the strut. Just take those off and boop, it just pops out. I had a little bit of a trouble because I tried to go between the, I messed up a little bit. Bottom line, it didn't take no more than maybe 8-10 minutes to do that. So now we're going to go ahead and install it and then move on to the back. Or maybe I'll do the front, other side too. We'll see what happens. But bottom line, we're out. We're going to go do the other side. Alrighty, y'all, so I finally got the front on. It has a good low to it. I think it would look great if I had 16s. I don't know how this is going to look with 15s. Look at the night and day difference. Like, that is monster trucking. Now granted, I do have the e-brake pull, so it's probably sitting a little bit higher than it would without it pulled, but it's not too shabby. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it for sure. So this is the front. It seems like it's starting to settle a little bit, and it's come down. That's a 16. It's pretty low. I like it. This here is a 15. It's not really low. I don't like it. I'm hoping that it's because the other side is still sitting a little high right now because I haven't taken that off. Because the EF was like that. One side, when I put one side on, I didn't do the other, and it looked a little wonky. So I'm hoping it settles because I'm not liking the 205 look right now with the 15s on here, or the 15s with the 205s. 16s is more my thing. However, adjustable coilovers would be nice. Okay, so it's now like day 2. I got the suspension on, at least the front, minus one, I think the driver rear side, because it got late. And I was going to hold off on that one because I had an issue with it last time I tried to do this, with the first setup I had. I think they may be blown, at least the fronts. Yeah, because look. As you can see, the front is like really low. The rear is not. It's not because I'm sitting on uneven ground. It's because I'm pretty sure this front suspension is blown. I'm almost positive it is. Because it should not be that. It's supposed to be like a 2-inch drop. I don't think that's 2 inches. It's more like 4 almost. But I mean, it looks good. I do like it, but I know it's not supposed to be like that. So is that I'm going to do, because I have yet to put the other
coilover on the driver's side, it may lower the rear just a tad bit more. So I'm going to have to do that maybe today, if not then tomorrow, because I got some things planned for today. And we'll see how it levels out, and then we'll go drive it and everything. But yeah, it doesn't look too bad. I say that even though I was highly upset yesterday about it. I was not too thrilled, but I do like the low look. I will say that.
Okay, so like I was saying, the car is way too low. I should have got some adjustable coilovers from the get-go instead of buying these, since they're used and I don't know how worn they are. I did take them apart. They're not shot to say. I mean, you can press them in, they'll spring back pretty quick, you know. But I think it's just too low of a drop, and that's not the look I'm going after. I need to be able to drive my car. So is what I did. I got me a set of TEIN adjustable coilovers, and I got me a Skunk 2 rear shock tower brace. So what we're going to do for now is at least put the front end on, the front shocks or coilovers on, so I can go ahead and be able to drive it a little bit and get it around, because as you see, I have gravel here. And then I'll finish up the rear tomorrow. I am going to have to go to Babbs' house and swap out, I guess, like my trailing arm, that whole bit back there on the driver's side, because the bolts are seized up and I broke the head off of one of them. So I can't take it out without disassembling the whole thing. So I'm just going to go over there, swap out that this weekend. So I won't be able to really do one side. But we're going to get something done, and we got legit stuff this time around. So this is like taking way too long. It seems like every suspension setup I've done, except for the EF. Actually, the EF gave me a little bit of issue, but that was due to my error. But so far, like all the suspension I've done, nothing really goes as smooth as you like it to. But, so yeah, let me show you what I got. So this is it. They're adjustable, and there's this, the strut tower brace, and I got a little Big Bertha out here to shed some light. But yeah, I'm not going to show the process of me putting these on, because you've already seen that, and it's not going to take me long anyway. So we're just going to go ahead and slap them on, and I'll show you what it looks like after I'm done. Okay, so I'm finally done. Like I said, I wasn't able to get the driver's side rear on, so keep in mind the back is a little bit higher and I have yet to adjust it. But big improvements, so it's not dragging its stomach on the ground anymore, so that's good. The rear sits just a little bit higher than the front. But like I said, I will get a spanner key and I'll be able to adjust it, and then I'll work on the other one this weekend, whenever I can get over to Babbs' house. But I mean, basically we're done. So I'm going to go ahead and close out this video. There's a few more things I am going to do. I'm going to install the rear camber arms this weekend, and I'm also going to go ahead and put the strut bar brace on, however you say it. Like, I know what I'm trying to say, but I just can't get it out right now because I'm doing a freaking video and put myself in the spotlight. But hey, bottom line, old girl is lowered finally. That's the goal, and we're on legit stuff. So I got legit coilovers, legit wheels, fake Momo, but that's another story. We'll cross that bridge when we get there for a new one. And I got me a nice strut tower brace that's legit too. I paid like 20 bucks for it, and I looked it up. It's like $170 to $200, give or take maybe like 20, 30 bucks. But bottom line, I scored a great deal today on coilovers and that brace. And I'm going to go ahead and see if anybody wants these here. Just sell them dirt cheap. Because like I said, they're not blown. They're just too low for me. I can't do that. I thought they were blown, but I went ahead and took them apart and tested them out. They're not. It's just a really low setup, and I'm not about that life. So again, let's take a look at it. Hold on, I'll flip it around. But yeah, so that's it. So you can get an idea. Like I said, I'm gonna go a tad bit lower because I want the fender to be almost touching the wheel. I'll go down maybe like half an inch lower or so. The rear definitely has to come down like 2 inches more. But bottom line, it's not dragging the bottom anymore. And Buffy just keeps on yelling, doesn't she? Meow, meow, meow. Yep, I agree. But yeah. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and close this video today. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. I'm going to have more coming out. And I'm sorry it's taking me so long to get a video out. It's just, it's a slow process. Things are picking up though pretty quickly because I'm going to Tennessee this weekend to pick up more stuff for the car. I'm going to be getting like lower control arms, maybe the front camber kit. I don't really know because it's like an eBay brand. I don't want to go that route. So I know I'm going to need like lower control arms for the rear. But like I was saying, I know it's a little bit slow coming out, but things are going to start picking up now. I tried to get this video out sooner, but I had hiccups with the suspension, as you can see. So I'm having to do it twice now. But hey, like I said, if you made it this far, I appreciate it. Just go ahead and like, subscribe if you don't mind, because more is going to be coming out. And also, I got a friend that's building like a, bear with me, all-wheel drive, K-swapped EG coupe. No, hatch. His name is going to be Babbs Honda Repair. I'll drop a link to it. Like, he just started this channel. He's had it for a while, but he's really now starting to do like the build videos. If you want to see how that works, he's a great dude. He's knowledgeable in that department when it comes to Hondas. Like, I even let him work on mine for a change. I'm going to have to actually take it back to him because I don't feel like replacing that leaky gasket on there. But go ahead and give him a follow. And just watch the build because it's going to be great. Last one he had was like 700 plus horsepower, so he's going for bigger, even with the bigger turbo on that. So go ahead, give him a follow, watch his videos, and watch mine. But yeah, guys, appreciate it. Hope you have a good one. Peace.